Alright guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Finalizing using United, right? Now if you own Mafia Definitive Edition on Go Galaxy and you reach to the part of the race and then you're trying to beat the race and you can't spin out of control and you're getting frustrated and you want to just delete the game, then I'm gonna show you all how to beat the race. You're gonna be using cheat engine for this by using speed hacks, right? So I'm gonna start at the game, go into the race, and I'll show you how to beat this, right? So stay tuned and I'll be back, guys. So guys, what you will need to do is go to the website and download cheat engine, right? Once you download cheat engine, open it. Alright, so right now the game process is not running because you need to run the game first, right? So once you open up cheat engine, it will start up a game. Okay guys, so once you're in the game now, you will just want to continue your story, load up your save, and then I will show you how to do, right? Once you load up your save and in the race, you have to alt tab and then you will open the cheat engine and I'll show you what to do, right? So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so in the race, right? So what you want to do, skip the race, pause the game and alt tab and open up cheat engine and then select the game process, which is right here. Alright, open it up and once you open the game process, alright, okay guys, so you will just click on speed hack, enable speed hack, and you will just turn it up. Alright, so enable the speed hack and turn it right up to 500 and then go back to the game. Guys, as you see, I'm inside a race. Alright, don't mind the graphics, guys, but it's the only way to beat this game. Alright, by using this trick. Oh god. Third place. second place, first place, and then there you go guys, just like that. The race has been won, and this is how you will beat Mafia Definitive Edition race in 2025, right? So now once you beat the race guys, just pause the game and then exit cheat in. Don't save the game, don't save your game because it will mess up your game. So you will just pause your game. Alright, go back to cheat table. Alright, and you just close it off and go back into your game, and then voila, game is back to normal. So guys, if you want to beat the race and you've been trying like trying 100 million times just to beat this race here, this is the only option, this is the only way to beat the Racing Mafia Definitive Edition. So I hope that this trick works, because I was playing the race and I was losing over and over, and I was getting very I was getting like real frustrated, and then I decided to try the cheat engine with the speed hack. So and I found out about this trick. I hope that you all enjoy this tutorial, and if you need any help, join the Discord server guys, and I'll help you guys, right? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe, and I will see you next video come. Classic Games United out. Take care and bye.